Hey everyone, this is Jeff from Smartphones for Water, or S4W for short. S4W exists to mobilize young researchers, citizen scientists, and mobile technology to improve lives by strengthening our understanding and management of water. S4W is a growing global network of people passionate about the only water resources we've got. Together, we're measuring our water resources and sharing these data with scientists, politicians, and anyone else who cares about our future, because we can't manage a resource that we don't measure. In this video, we're going to show you how to take a rainfall measurement and how to enter that data into Open Data Kit or ODK and send that off to Smartphones for Water. Now I'm going to turn it over to Tyler for the details.
First, let's open up ODK. Once the app is open, navigate to Fill Blank Form. Select the latest S4W form for your region. I'll be using the North America version 1.2 for this example. We can navigate the ODK Collect using the default setting. This is accomplished by swiping to the left for forward and to the right for backwards. If it is your first time taking a measurement, please fill out your biodata. If you have already filled out your biodata section, you just need a refresher, you can jump ahead in the video. This information will not be shared, but will allow us to give credit to your measurements. Biodata is mostly optional. The first one is your full name. I'm going to enter Tyler. Then we'll get to your mobile number, and this is optional. Select your date of birth, optional. Gender, optional. Employment or occupation, optional. Name of current employment, company, also optional. Highest level of education, optional. Do you have your own Wi-Fi at your house? Optional. The country you currently reside in, optional. The town you live in, optional. How you first became involved with S4W, optional. Describe how you became involved, optional. Email or Facebook ID, optional. Are you okay with S4W giving you your personal credit on your data portal for your contribution by showing your name? This one we would like you to select yes or no. Once you have your biodata completed, we can take our first measurement. And the first step to this is we want to make sure we get our date and time are recorded for our measurement. It will automatically populate based on the current date and time at your location. Taking measurements between 0600 and 0900 in the morning is preferred. Next, we will get the geopoint or GPS location. We can just select Start Geopoint. This will use satellites to track down where you are located, and once you get within 5 meters, it will automatically enter your latitude and longitude. From here, we then can go in and start taking our measurement. What we first want to do is select the type of measurement we wish to submit. In this example, we'll be using precipitation or rainfall. Next, we'll take a picture of the rain gauge. Make sure the picture has a clear view of the water level and measuring ruler. This picture is used as a quality control check by anyone using your measurement. Next, we'll enter the precipitation in millimeters. Let's quickly go over what we want to do to record our measurement and where we should take it from. We want to make sure that we're reading from the lower part of the meniscus, as seen on the screen. We also have a few examples of how we want to measure. We also want to ensure that we have the rain gauge level. We do not want it leaning one way or the other. We'd like it level to ensure that we get the most accurate measurement. Once we have the measurement from the lower part of the meniscus, we can enter it here. From our previous picture, we had 60 millimeters. Enter comments about the precipitation measurement next. This is optional. Take an overview picture of the measurement location, also optional. This picture should be a clear indication of where your rain gauge is located to ensure that you don't have trees or any buildings obstructing the rain gauge. Enter any measurement comments, whether it was super cloudy, super sunny, or any other items that may affect the rain. And then you can say if you have any feedback to help us improve on this measurement technique. I'm going to say we're pretty good right now. Now this form will not automatically submit in case you do not have service or Wi-Fi enabled currently. So once we are done, we can save form and exit. And we want to make sure that we have it marked for form as finalized. Once we have our form finalized, we can see here that I have send finalized form with a 1 on it. That says that we have one form ready to be sent. So we can select that once you have Wi-Fi or service and press select all and send selected. There you go. We have taken our first measurement with ODK. Once you have taken 5 measurements, you'll be able to see your data on data.smartphonesforwater.org, as seen on the screen. Make sure you check out our other videos and join us on Facebook at Smartphones for Water or follow us on Instagram or Twitter. Thank you for joining the growing S4W family and helping us understand and protect the only water we've got.